Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to show a discount sale badge in your Shopify store. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click on Settings. A new settings page will appear on the screen. From here, find and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This page shows all the apps installed in your store. Now go to the top right corner and click on Shopify App Store, and it will open a new tab on the screen. Once the App Store opens, at the top, use the search bar to find Product Labels app. When the results appear, scroll until you find the correct app and click on it. On the app page, click on the Install button to start the installation process, which will open in another new tab. A confirmation tab will appear. Click Install again to allow access. Next, choose a plan that suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll continue with the free plan, which provides limited but useful features. After selecting your plan, enable the app embed option and continue to the next step. To create your discount badge, click on Create Badge. You'll be asked for two different badge styles. For this video, we'll select a text badge. From the list, you can choose a default discount badge, or if you prefer a custom look, click Choose from Library. A new tab will appear where you can browse and select different badge designs. You can also change the badge shape from the available options. Then use the following tabs to adjust the badge color or style. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll find the Text tab. Here, you can resize the text, change the formatting, and explore other customization options. Once your badge looks good, let's assign it to products. On this page, click on the Products menu, and a list of your products will appear on the screen. Check the products you want to apply the badge to and add them. After applying all the changes, go to the top right corner and click Save. Now let's preview the store to check everything. And as you can see, the discount badge is successfully applied to the selected products. And that's it. This is how you can show a discount sale badge in your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.